Okay, what do you do when you're so happily busy with your clients and your own move and helping out a couple friends, but you want to answer questions? Well, you hit the record button while you're keeping your eyes on the road and see if you can answer questions. Like, here's one that just got today. A woman who called and said that her mother passed away and she wants to declutter and organize her mother's belongings, and every time she starts to do it, she just gets stuck, and she wanted to know if we could help her. And I said, of course, absolutely. That's a really hard thing to do, and you need support and you deserve support. And when we go and get those sessions started, we really have to get a feel for what timelines are essential and where we can change the timeline to give the family the grace to grieve more if they need more time with that. So that's one of the first things to do, is find out, think about, talk to everybody who is, has some authority in that decision. How long do you have? Do you have to get a house on the market within a few weeks? Or can you just do a little bit at a time and try to get it done within a year? So that's the most important thing, is figure out the hard truths, the objective criteria that you have to work with. And then once you know that, then we can build an action plan for you, or you can, get a friend to help you with it, to take it at the pace that you need to take it for the process to help you with your grieving and to help you move on to the vision that you and that your loved one would want for you. So yes, you can get decluttered and organized after someone that you love has passed away. And it's most important, I think, that you do it in a way that respects your need to grieve and respects how you want to memorialize them and their legacy. And you deserve support in doing that.